Hello everyone. Thank you for joining Active Zen Fitness. Today, we are diving into a topic that touches many lives: weight loss. Shedding those extra pounds can be a challenge, but it's also an incredibly rewarding journey. In this video, I'm going to share 12 practical and effective tips to help you lose weight. These tips aren't just about dieting. They're about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that lead to real results. From mindful eating to seeking professional guidance, each tip is designed to help you achieve your health goals. So, get ready to take notes and make some positive changes. Let's start with mindful eating. It's all about being present while you eat, savoring each bite, and listening to your body's signals. Try to eat without distractions like TV or smartphones. Focus on the textures, the aromas, and the flavors of your food. This practice can help you enjoy your meals more and prevent overeating. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how you eat. By being more attentive, you'll likely find that you feel satisfied with less food, which is a key step in managing your weight effectively. Next up is maintaining a balanced diet. This means filling your plate with a variety of colors and nutrients. Include plenty of vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods as much as possible, because they're often loaded with unnecessary sugars and fats. Think of your meals as a palette for creating vibrant, healthful artworks. A balanced diet not only helps in weight management, but also boosts your energy levels and overall health. So, make your meals colorful and your body will thank you. Portion control. Portion control is a crucial aspect of weight loss. Many of us are used to oversized servings, especially when dining out. Start by using smaller plates and bowls at home to naturally reduce portion sizes. Visual cues can really help. For instance, a portion of meat should be about the size of a deck of cards. Don't feel compelled to finish everything on your plate. Listen to your hunger cues and stop eating when you're comfortably full. This simple change can have a big impact on your calorie intake. Regular exercise. Exercise is indispensable in your weight loss journey. Find activities you genuinely enjoy, whether it's walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity each week. Regular exercise not only burns calories, but also strengthens your heart, muscles, and bones. It can boost your mood and energy levels, making it easier to stick with your weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key, so try to incorporate some form of physical activity into your daily routine. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for weight loss. Water helps to fill you up and can reduce the tendency to overeat. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, more if you're active. Carry a water bottle with you throughout the day, as a reminder to keep drinking. Avoid sugary drinks and alcohol, which are high in calories and can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Sometimes thirst is confused with hunger, so drinking water regularly can keep unnecessary snacking at bay. Next up is meal planning. Am I the only one that didn't know meal planning could be a game changer for weight loss? Well, let's dive into it. Plan those meals ahead, prep them, and you'll dodge the impulse eating trap. Healthy options ready to go means less reaching for junk. Next, healthy snacking. Choose healthy snacks like fruits, vegetables, nuts, or Greek yogurt. Keep unhealthy snacks out of sight or out of your house altogether to reduce temptation. If you do indulge in a treat, practice portion control and savor it mindfully. Healthy snacking supports weight management and prevents overeating. Next up, we have tracking progress. Record your food, exercise, and measurements. Use a journal, app, or fitness tracker. Celebrate those small victories to stay motivated. Next, get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours a night. Quality sleep helps manage hunger hormones and reduces cravings. Stress management. Stress eating can sabotage your efforts. Try deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Enjoy activities you like and make time for self-care. Social support. Surround yourself with supportive friends and family. Share your goals and celebrate successes together. Accountability is key. Finally, seek professional guidance. If you're struggling to lose weight on your own, consider seeking guidance from a registered dietitian, nutritionist, or personal trainer. They can provide personalized advice, meal plans, and exercise routines tailored to your specific needs and goals. We've covered 12 smart strategies to help you on your weight loss journey. From mindful eating to seeking professional advice, these tips are designed to support you in making sustainable changes. Remember, the path to losing weight is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself and consistent in your efforts. Every small step counts. Thank you for joining Active Zen Fitness today, and I encourage you to start applying these tips. Keep pushing forward, stay motivated, and transform your life. You can do this.